Good morning Ishwar, thank you creating me. 35 latitude 139 longitude. Current location is Shoshanji Japdaya. Weather type clouds. Wind speed is 3.6 meter per second. Temperature, 28.23 degrees Celsius. Humidity is 74. I am Jarvis. Please tell me how can I help you Ishwar?
Search for Google from Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Google Search, or simply Google, is a web search engine developed by Google LLC. It is the most used search engine on the World Wide Web across all platforms, with 92.16% market share as of December 2020, handling more than 5.4 billion searches each day. The order of search results returned by Google is based, in part, on a priority rank system called PageRank. Google Search also provides many different options for customized searches, using symbols to include, exclude, specify, or require certain search behavior, and offers specialized interactive experiences, such as flight status and package tracking, weather forecasts, currency, unit, and time conversions, word definitions, and more. What do you want to search for?
What is today current date?
Here is what I found for today current date.
Tell me about my CPU.
CPU is at 7.6. Battery is at 98.
Tell me a joke.
Complaining about the lack of smoking shelters, the nicotine-addicted Python programmers said there ought to be spaces for tabs. Ubuntu users are apt to get this joke. Obfuscated reality mappers, ORMs, can be useful database tools. Asked to explain Unicode during an interview, Jeff went into detail about his final year university project. He was not hired. Triumphantly, Beth removed Python 2.7 from her server in 2030. Finally, she said with glee, only to see the announcement for Python 4.4.
Open Stack Overflow. Open my GitHub. Okay, good. Search YouTube.
What you want to search on YouTube?
Batman. What's your name? What is your name?
My name is Jarvis.
Who created you?
Ishwar is my master. He created me couple of days ago.
Remember me, or remember that I have to wake up early tomorrow. Remember that I have to wake up early tomorrow.
What should I remember Ishwar?
That I have to wake up early tomorrow in the morning.
You said me to remember that I have to wake up early tomorrow in the morning.
Did you remember anything? Did you remember anything? Do you remember anything?
You said me to remember that I have to wake up early tomorrow in the morning.
News.
Of course Ishwar. Source, The Times of India. Today's headlines are: PM Narendra Modi's address in Chennai, highlights. Moving on, the next news headline. For Trump, an escape, not an exoneration. Moving on, the next news headline. The soundtrack of love in 7 Bollywood numbers. Moving on, the next news headline. Amid pandemic, applications for GMAT see a 21% growth, Times of India. Moving on, the next news headline. Greta Thunberg's toolkit probe, Delhi police arrest climate activist from Bengaluru. Moving on, the next news headline. Biden, reflecting on Senate acquittal of Trump, says democracy is fragile. Moving on, the next news headline. India vs England live score, second test, day 2, India bank on Rishabh Pant to cross 350 in Chennai. These were the top headlines. Have a nice day, sir.